inside the vehicle. Face forward with your head against the headrest. Hold on to your right arm at all times.
Are you insane? Get out of here! The curse is real! This whole place is a trap! He's after your soul! For the Magi!
Silence! With your souls, I shall rule for all eternity. Serve me and savor riches beyond measure. Magi can save you now. There is no escape. Your end shall be my beginning. Behold your fate. Your destiny. Your souls are born.
Hope you enjoyed your ride. Please remain seated and keep your arms and legs inside.
Prepare to forfeit your souls. Death is only.
Hey, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed yourself. I enjoyed this interview a lot more if I had gotten a cup of coffee! Thank you.